The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission has declared Russia's 3-day presidential elections as free, fair and credible. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The Zimbabwe Election Observer Mission to the 2024 presidential elections of the Russian Federation was led by ZEC Chairperson Justice Priscilla Makanyara Chigumba. Presenting the Zimbabwe Election Observation Mission's report on the elections in Russian capital Moscow on Monday, 18th March, Chigumba said the mission was satisfied with the conduct of local media as far as reporting of elections is concerned. Chigumba commended the Russian Central Election Commission (CEC) for the extended period of voting from a day in previous elections to 3 days in this election, saying it allowed voters to exercise their right to vote at their convenience. She also said the general atmosphere was very conducive for elections. The mood was relaxed and cheerful as people were exercising their right to vote. ZEC's decision to send a delegation to observe Russia's presidential elections has sparked debates over integrity and credibility. Critics question the impartiality of ZEC's observations given allegations of rigging in Zimbabwe's elections. The move has raised skepticism both domestically and internationally as ZEC faces its credibility crisis at home. This is today's news about ZEC's observation on the Russian presidential elections and how it has sparked debates over integrity and credibility. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.